Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, September 6th of 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, let's get with it. Today is the day that we're going to be receiving lots of economic data, the non-farm payroll and unemployment. Consensus is for NFP, the non-farm payroll numbers, to come in right around 164,000. Now, here's the catch. Anything below that, and really anything below 100, we might see another event like last month where markets tanked. Okay, now something north of that, better than that, higher than 164, 200 or 175, something like that, we could probably see a nice rebound in the markets and obviously trading above our resistance levels in the indices. Now, another token or another data to keep in mind will be unemployment rate ticking down perhaps towards the 4.2. Now, if we get something again 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, then this is going to help the rhetoric of the obviously the Fed, and perhaps a 50 point basis cut will be more in tune. Now, that in reality could be bad for stocks. Okay, so we are in a dilemma right now. The markets are in a dilemma where what will the Fed do? We'll have also a meeting after the number coming out by the FOMC, but also the news regarding all of this could set off alarms, particularly with all of these scenarios going around. So as for us today, what can we expect? Obviously, futures are pointing to a lower open. If we were to open right now, we'd be opening to the downside. So using 18,250 for the Nasdaq can be a level of support for it. Obviously, we might be trading down towards, if that number is going to be coming out negative, we'd probably be trending towards that double bottom of that 18,000 marker as a psychological level of support for the Nasdaq. As the S&P 500 goes, now that also is looking, our markets really are looking that way. The crossing of the moving averages is not working so far, obviously, because all of this rhetoric around interest rates, also about the unemployment, all the scenarios going on, and perhaps we'll be probably continue also trading lower. 5,400 is going to be that marker for the S&P, that Dow Jones Industrial, their level. In this case, the 50 moving average is below it. But still 40,000 could be that number to come out and find some support for the Dow. The Russell is already at the level of support, so I'm gonna bring that puppy down 2080, which is right above the lower Bollinger Band. I'm gonna bring down my resistance to this double bottom here created. So that's 2180. And then crude oil also losing lots of tracking so far. It has rebounded of around that level of support, creating the double bottom, and from here looking to perhaps find more buyers. I'm gonna use the bottom of the Bollinger Band as my level of support and bring down my level of resistance around this level. So perhaps today could be a level of a day that we see the market recover. Nat Gas is looking to continue moving higher. So let's see if 225 would be the marker for today. Gold is the flight to safety asset that lots of people use, obviously. Now, will we continue to move higher? If this number, obviously, the non-farm payroll number comes out lower than expected, towards the 100 and lower, we'll probably see a spike in gold. Now, we are really just already nearly levels that are historically after that high of the August 20th. So 25.60 perhaps. I'm just gonna use the top Bollinger Band as a probable level of resistance for gold. So perhaps going long gold as that number comes out negative. Then we have silver that is also just right there at the resistance. So I'm gonna use 29.50 in change and 28 as a level of support for silver. Now, obviously looking for to buy. Then we have here copper. Copper is also right there at the borderline. So I'm going to use the 50-day moving average as my level of resistance and this double bottom that was created by yesterday's fluctuation as my support. Looking to go long. Obviously that number comes out bad. Then Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just about to lose its mind, I suppose. Then let's just use 53.35 as a level of 52,350 as a level of support, and then our resistance 59,219. Take a look at the currencies. Currencies are looking. They were looking strong earlier, but let's see what could happen. Let's use 115, 111.5 as resistance and 110.5 as support. The pound is right there with us. So let's just use that double top and let's use this double bottom right here. And the dollar index might be the one that gets plummeted as the number comes out. So this is use the bottom Bollinger Band as a probable level of support. And that's our levels for today. So be prepared. In about 20 minutes, it'll be coming out, and let's see how trading goes today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.